In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and close multiple tabs on DuckDuckGo. Managing multiple tabs is one of the easiest ways to stay organized while browsing the web. Whether you're researching different topics, comparing websites, or simply keeping several pages open at the same time, DuckDuckGo makes tab management quick and convenient. In this guide, I'll show you how to open and close multiple tabs using both your mouse and keyboard, allowing you to browse more efficiently and choose the method that works best for you. To begin, launch the DuckDuckGo browser on your computer. Once the browser opens, look at the top of the window where the tab bar is located. This area displays your currently open tabs and serves as the main place where you'll create, switch between, and close tabs. If you'd like to open a new tab using your mouse, locate the small plus icon positioned on the tab bar. This button is usually found beside your existing tabs. Click the plus icon once and a new tab will open immediately. You can repeat this action as many times as needed to create additional tabs. Each tab provides a separate browsing space, making it easy to keep different searches and websites organized. If you don't see the plus icon right away, try maximizing or widening the browser window. In some cases, the button may become easier to see when there is more available space on the tab bar. To close a tab with your mouse, move your cursor over the tab you want to remove. An X icon should appear on the tab. Click that X and the selected tab will close while all other open tabs remain unaffected. Make sure you're clicking the X on the tab itself and not the Window Close button, which would close the entire browser window. For users who prefer keyboard shortcuts, DuckDuckGo also provides a faster method. To open a new tab instantly, press Ctrl and T on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut works for most areas within the browser and creates a fresh tab without requiring any mouse clicks. You can press the shortcut repeatedly whenever you need multiple new tabs. To close the tab you're currently viewing, press Ctrl and W together. The active tab will close immediately, and the browser will switch to another open tab if one is available. Keep in mind that if only one tab remains open, using this shortcut may close the browser window as well. And that's all there is to it. By using the plus button, the tab close button, Ctrl plus T, and Ctrl plus W, you can easily manage multiple tabs in DuckDuckGo and enjoy a smoother browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.